Basic 2 Science. And this is going to be our 5th lesson on science, diversity of matter. We are still on materials. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify at least 2 items that can be created based on the properties of the materials we've talked about. You should also realize the importance of these materials to human beings or to man. Very good. What did we do in our previous lesson? We talked about materials. And what did we say they are? We said they are items that are used to create new things. What are those items? The common ones are the papers, the plastics, the glasses, the what? The wood, the cotton. They are all materials. We looked at their properties, the various properties of the materials we can have around. What are some of the properties? Yes, we said some of them are what? Soft. Others are hard. That means when you feel them, they look what? Soft. Some are hard. Some have the rough what? Surface. Others have the smooth surface. You also have the bendable ones. The ones that you can turn to any direction at all to create whatever you want to create. What else? We have the transparent. And what did you say are transparent objects? Things that you can see through, or objects that allow light to pass through. And then opaque. You said some of them are also opaque because they do not allow light to pass through them, or you cannot see through them clearly. Okay, let's move on to today's lesson. What is our keyword for today? We have only one keyword, that is mold. Mold. What does it mean? To make something out of clay. So the moment you are able to make something out of clay, you are molding. Alright? Our task for today is to what? Identify items that can be created from common properties of materials. We have some of the common properties. Others have 2 or more properties. Some can be soft and bendable. Okay? Good. Some can be hard and rough. Others can be what? Can be transparent and hard. Very good. So the soft materials. Examples of soft materials can be what? Clay. When you add water to clay, it becomes soft. So what can you make out of it? You mix clay that can be molded into pots, mugs, and what? Coolers. Look at the pictures on your screen. Can you see them? Those are the items that you can make from soft materials. Not only this, we can have so many materials that you can make into something else. Like cotton is soft. What can you use it for? Good. We have the picture over there. Cotton wool and foam can be used for pillows. You see, they are soft items. So you can use them for another thing. You can also use the cotton yarns and the fabrics can be used to what? Make clothes. Remember we said the cotton yarns are the what? Are materials. So they can be used to what? Make fabrics to create clothes out of them. Very good. We also have the hard materials. Okay, let's look at some of the hard materials. I told you some of the materials can have 2 or more properties. Okay, so some are hard, but you can apply heat to them to make them a bit soft, so you can bend them into whatever you want to create. For example, metal. When heat is applied to metal, it becomes a little bit what? Soft, so you can bend it to the shape you want. That is what the welders do to create whatever thing you want to create. The burger proof they've been created. They create it from hard metals. They apply heat to it, and then they use it for whatever items they want to do. You see the vehicles we have around, Yes, they are made from metals. Good. To help us, we said what? Hard bendable materials can be used to make cooking utensils too, and vehicles. We can see the utensils over there. You have so many of them in your kitchen. Okay. The next one, plastics and glasses are transparent. Remember that property. Yes, things that light can pass through. They are transparent and can be used to make what? Plastic bottles, sachets, polythenes, bags, etc. But the sachet, the polythene you see there is not a transparent polythene. That one is black. So what will it be? It's going to be an opaque object because you cannot see through that polythene. But the ones that are light or transparent, you can see through them. Mostly they are the white ones. Okay, so you see a mirror over there made from glass. You see? Yes. It's also a material. Then the what? The bottle made from a plastic. Very good. What else? Hard bendable wood. See, the wood is also hard, but you can bend it into any product that you want to create, like the cane chairs, the fan, the basket. See those beautiful items over there? Yes, they are all made from wood that are bendable, like the cane. Okay, opaque items that are hard. For example, the bricks, the blocks. What can you use them for? To build houses, mansions. Look at that beautiful mansion over there. Would you like to have one in future? Yes, work hard. You will soon have that. Then you can also use them for what? For your fence. The beautiful fence you see around is made from opaque material, which are what? Bricks and blocks. Very good. Just to talk about a few, you have most of them around your houses. Try and look for them. Look for materials. Try and find out the properties of those materials and see if you can make something out of it. For example, paper. Paper is what? A bendable material. You can use them for so many things. Create cards from them and birthday cards for your friends. Alright. The cards, the papers too can be what? Used for what? Boxes. Okay. What are the importance? The importance of these materials to man. They serve as resources. We need them a lot to make items, to make our life what? More enjoyable to live. So you can see for construction, most of the materials we have around, they are used for construction work. So you see people trying to put a house with different kinds of material just to make life comfortable for us, to have shelter to live in. So is it not a benefit to us? Good. What again? Yes. So materials helps us get domestic items such as cooking utensils, furniture, drinking glasses, plastic bowls, cups, and many others. So it's helping us to get our domestic items. And then our sofas. Good. You sit in sofas at home. Okay. What again? The glasses, the utensils. Good. Then the fabrics, the cottons. What do we get out of them? They make us look beautiful. They make us look beautiful. We create beautiful dresses out of them. The seamstress and the tailors, they use the fabric to make beautiful dresses for us. Then it also helps us to what? To make vehicles to ease human movement. So because of materials, vehicles are created for us to be able to move from one place to another without suffering. We have another picture over there. Can you see it? Yes. Some artworks. We get certain artworks from materials. So materials are used for artworks. Artworks like what? Like the statue you see over there, or the fountain, and the sculpture and the fountain. Okay, that is beautiful. Hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. We have so many materials around us. Most of them are non-living things. Okay, yes, we use them as materials. Look around your houses. Try and identify the things you have at home and the materials they use in creating them. When you come on Zoom, we'll discuss a lot on that. Hope you are being good at home and try to keep safe as well. Bye-bye.